Okay, YouTube. I thought I'd have some fun today. I got this zero turn today, and the gas tank had water, gunk, rust, you name it in there. I had this idea about how to get it out. So what I've done so far is take an air hose with a line and run it all the way across to our air tank, but well above more than needs on air pressure. As you can see, it's about, let's see here, come on, realize, I'd say about 83 pounds, 87. Man, it's hard to see. So I thought, why not? Yeah, you can't duck it. Duck it the old ways go. So, ow. Got the little nut right there. And Old Faithful duct tape. Got a little relief valve down there that you run to the tank. Let's see what happens. Well, we got something coming out. I don't know if it's cleaning or if it's spilling out. Just keep going and see what happens. It's all there we got. So, dude made a duct tape gas tank cap. Go figure. Nah. Not that bad. Don't know if y'all can see that. Not that bad. Well, I did say that's not that bad. Well, if y'all want to see more of this type stuff, like and subscribe. If you have any ideas that you might want me to try, leave them in the comments. See ya.